Hello, STEM Robo Technologies presents you our in-house developed and manufactured 3D printer from our Arctic product line. The printer boasts a whopping 17.5 liters of build volume because of the build plate size of 250 by 280 by 250 millimeters. The printer has been tested to support various printing materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, wood and fill. The flagship Arctic 3D printer comes in two variants, IoT Ready and IoT Enabled. The Iot Enabled Edition gives user the freedom to convert the machine into an IoT product, to control and monitor the print remotely. The Iot Ready Edition is an IoT device out of the box with an integrated camera. The full graphical display enables the user to monitor all the critical parameters of the machine. Inspired by the northern lights, the Arctic 3D printer is equipped with the color-changing status lights which will visually inform the user about the current state of the machine. Arctic also gives you the freedom to choose from a variety of colors available. So, make your choice, think, design and print. For more information, visit stemrobo.com and our Facebook page Arctic 3D Printer.